If you're trying to decide between Canva and Figma, you're probably wondering which one is better for design in 2025. At first glance, they look similar. Both are browser-based, both have drag and drop design tools, and both are used by millions of creators. But they're actually built for two very different types of users. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs and your workflow, so stick around till the end. Let's start with the basics. Canva is designed for beginners, content creators, small business owners, and marketers. Its goal is simple: let anyone create beautiful graphics fast without needing design skills. Think social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, business cards, flyers, and presentations. Everything is template-based and user-friendly. Figma, on the other hand, is made mainly for professional UI and UX designers. If you design websites, apps, dashboards, or prototypes, this tool is built for you. It focuses more on precision, structure, and collaboration within design teams. So Canva is about content creation, while Figma is about product design. But interestingly, these two platforms have been moving into each other's territory recently, adding overlapping features. And that's what makes this comparison important. Now let's compare them feature by feature. First, drawing and graphic control. Canva gives you basic drawing tools like a pen, marker, and highlighter. Great for annotations or quick visuals. But Figma takes this category easily. It offers advanced vector editing, pen tools with anchor points, and pixel perfect control. If you need accuracy or custom icons and shapes, Figma is the clear winner. Next, photo editing. Canva wins this one by a mile. It includes background removal, AI image expansion, filters, auto enhance, shadows, and tons of effects. You can even edit product photos and portraits without external apps. Figma, on the other hand, only offers simple adjustments like brightness, exposure, or cropping. So for visual content and images, Canva is much stronger. Let's talk presentations. Canva dominates here too. It has over 20,000 slide templates, built-in animations, sound effects, video recording, and even mobile remote control for presenting live. Plus, you can export as PowerPoint or PDF instantly. Figma does have presentation tools and even offers interactive slides with clickable elements, but it only provides around 300 templates and often needs plugins. So overall, Canva is the better presentation tool. Now, let's look at pros and cons. Canva pros: beginner-friendly, massive template library, fast content creation. Great for marketing teams, strong photo editing. Canva cons: limited advanced design. Control weak for UI, UX, or prototyping, not ideal for professional product design. Figma. Pros: precise vector tools, best for UI, UX design. Powerful team collaboration, industry standard for product designers. Flexible and customizable. Figma cons: steep learning curve, limited photo tools, requires plugins for many features, not ideal for quick content creation. So, which one is better? Here's the truth. It depends on what you are designing. If you're a content creator, social media manager, freelancer, or small business owner, Canva is the best choice. It's fast, simple, affordable, and packed with templates. But if you're a UI/UX designer, a web designer, or part of a product team building apps or digital dashboards, Figma is hands down the better tool. If you want flexibility, speed, and content, choose Canva. If you want precision, control, and professional design, just choose Figma. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Canva or Team Figma? And if you want me to do a step-by-step tutorial on either of them, tell me below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more design comparisons and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.